Hello everyone. So this is Suraj Pawar. I'm back with the thing. So in this now, I just done with like there are like CI/CD we are using. So for that one, we are using the GitHub Actions. So for that, what I have just covered. So we have just create one folder dot GitHub. Inside that GitHub, we have work workflows. Then inside the workflows, we have automate dot YML file. So in that, we have just created this one. So we have just write so this is on push main branch is there. Job is like this. So we have using the Ubuntu server as the latest version 81, whatever the things which is present. So it can be downloaded. And for this one, so we have just step which is deployment for this name. You can put it as per your convenience, the name of that. Then after that, we have just provided the host, username, key, and the scripts. So these all things. So what this is, we have just created this. So this is a, we just created the server. So this is all about. So yes, then after that we have just push. So we have just what we can do. Inside the index.html file, we have just changed some name, right? So we have just modified this name. So based on we have just get add dash command, so whole changes or whatever the code which is present inside whole, so it should be added. After that, we have just added some comments like website title change. Then after that, we have the push code towards the main branch. So in this project, we have only the main branch only, so that it's successfully completed. So when I just go towards my this, so as per the actions, I refresh it. So what happened? So my website's titles actions will change. So in that, so deployment process is done. So you can see when you click on that. So yes, whatever things which it says. So see this all thing it's needed. So these are the steps, like step up for the job. After that we have this one. Then after that, based on the so based on the commands and also successfully executed by the host. So and then after that, when I just go over there, so see, when I just refresh my page, so this title it changes whatever the titles which I put it. So there is nothing like you need to again push and like you need to again deploy it and everything. So definitely it's not about like that. Once you have changed it in your local, that's all. Automatically the change will reflect it. So that's called CI/CD, which we have used using the GitHub action. So there are different CI/CD also, like Jenkins was one of the most popular open source which is available. So as per your comment, you can do it. So hope you like it. So this is all about. Thank you so much. Keep in touch.